and I'm basically an investor. I've been investing in the stock market for more than 15 years, and currently providing content, services, research reports, and also training for the investment public. And I'm also one of the speakers for InvestSmart Fest 2015. I think investment is very important for every individuals as we are going towards having funds to retire or having funds to pay for your education or even your children's education, because everything is getting more expensive today. And we do have certain income, whether it's from your work, for your job, or from your business, but we need the money to work for us as well, because if we just keep money in the bank, we are basically making the money slip in the bank, and it's gonna rot in the bank, right? With the inflation and all that going on. So I think it's very important for investors to take a step to know how to invest in the markets. But the only thing is that they need to know how to do it, right? There are two alternatives: whether you're gonna use that money and use the professionals like buying unit trusts or the fund managers and all that to manage the funds for you, or you can do it yourself. And of course, there are basically benefits if you know how to do it yourself. Because you are able to manage it yourself, you have total control, and you're also able to manage the funds based on your objective in trading itself. Because when you leave it to the fund managers, we are basically following their objective and not our objective, right? So I think investors do have to take an approach to be more active in acquiring the knowledge to actually know how to invest in the stock market. Now, I'll be speaking at the event with the topic Finding Opportunities in Crisis. So for example, we have currency crisis, we have commodities crisis, but there's always a silver lining. So if you come to the event, if you come to my workshop, then you're able to see what are the topics, what are the sectors that you'll be able to look at to invest in the markets. Well, I think the best thing to invest first before you invest in the stock market is investing in the knowledge itself to invest in the market successfully. And I think the best place to acquire the skills and knowledge is through this event, where you'll be able to learn a lot of practical skills and knowledge from the different experts in the industry.